Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to look at a set of noise canceling ear muffs made by Schallwerk. Okay, so the first question is, why do you actually wear noise canceling earmuffs? Well, first of all, the damage that you do to your ears without wearing the proper PPE can be irreversible. So you want to make sure that you protect your ears from loud noises, high decibels. I work in the construction field and the DIY industry, so I am constantly using things like nail guns that have a loud percussion type sound. I hear compressors going off all day. I will be outside and have mowers and all kinds of trimmers and equipment running. You want to try to protect your ears from things like that. So these will actually reduce the outside noise by 43 decibels. But how do you know that it's actually reduced? They are going to be laboratory tested, and they're going to be certified through the NRR program, which is going to be noise reduction rating. So you know that you're getting a good pair of muffs. So let's take a closer look at these and see how they're constructed. Now, the first thing I want to point out is these are unisex and they are adult. So pretty much any adult can wear these. They're fully adjustable. You'll notice that they pull down on the sides. So it gives it a really nice feel. They are cushioned all at the top, and it's not just a cushion. They kind of ruffle that cushion so that it's easy on your head, because they know you're probably going to be wearing these for quite some time. They articulate very easy to fit over your ears, and the muff part is very soft and it's deep. I like that. And if you notice, the part that actually helps muffle inside and get rid of some of that sound is also very soft to the touch, which is great because a lot of times your ears end up hitting that inside, and it rubs and it gets very irritated. So I like the fact that they're making that extremely comfortable. So when you get your Work Plus muffs, it's going to come in a box just like this, and it's going to have a Work Plus little manual with it, which kind of explains to you how it works. If you look on the back, they even have a little app that you can download. All you have to do is scan the QR code. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Now my mic is actually up here, so I'm going to try to turn the mic up so that you can still hear, and I'm going to make some clapping noises and stuff and see how much I actually hear and see if I get a feel for how much noise it really blocks out. So let's try that. Okay, mic is facing up so that you guys can still hear me, hopefully. All right, we're going to try it on. I like the adjustment. I can definitely tell it is a tight fit. I feel the seal all the way around. I don't know if you can hear me clapping. I can't hear it. That is weird. It's like I can hear it tapping, but I cannot hear the actual clap. So it's actually taking the high-pitched noises out, and that's what it's really designed to do. I mean, it stays on great. It feels great. Wow. I like that. So let me sit here. Wow, that's amazing, because when I had them on, all I could hear was a little thug. I could not really hear that high-pitched clap sound. So I'd like to go ahead and give you a little bit more detail about the app. So when you go to the back of the book and you scan for the actual app, you're going to go to the App Store. Actually, you'll get to pick either the Google or the Apple Store. Go in, download it. Now what that does, uses your cell phone to tell you what the outside sound is, what the decibels are. So that can actually help you and know when you really need to be wearing the muffs. I thought it was a cool app. I've been playing with it all day. It's really kind of awesome. So be sure you get that app. So guys, if I was going to rate these on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars. I think it's made very well. It definitely does what they say it's going to do. And I think it's built to last a long time. It looks like it'll be easy to clean, easy to carry around, just hang on a hook, hang it in my truck. I always have them nearby. So if you're needing a good noise reduction pair of earmuffs, I don't think you're going to go wrong with these. Pick yourself up a set today, and we will see you guys on the next one.